Children, hope you have revised the lesson yesterday. Today we are continuing chapter 3, a trip to Bhopal. Now this time children, all the children are crossing the river Narmada. So everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh says, the water level is now quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. Miss Asha says, but in the rainy season, the water had risen, then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. Now, what we have to do, children, we have to find the difference of the water level in the rainy season and now. Now the water level is 40 meters below the bridge, and in the rainy season water level below the bridge is 15 meters. So we find the difference and it is coming 25 meters. So you will write the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now is 25 meters. Now the children discuss about the river for some time. Now suddenly the bus stops with a jerk near a petrol pump. Oh, the petrol pump. Two buses need to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have got down to look more closely. Now, each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill, and there are two buses to be refilled. So they stop there about. Now one bus takes 15 minutes to refill, then two buses take 30 minutes to refill, which means they are late about 30 minutes. They are late about 30 minutes. Now look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. Now 100 liters diesel price is 3,500. 1 liter diesel price we can find out 3,500 divided by 100. So it is 35 rupees. So price of 1 liter of diesel is 35 rupees. As the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. Now this girl is saying Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. So how much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? He takes 15 minutes to come out of the toilet to Bhimbetka. Now they reached Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Now Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Bhimbetka is a very famous place for cave paintings. Miss Rena, she says it's a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. Children, 10,000 years ago they made these paintings. Sumonto, 10,000 years. I cannot even think of 1,000 years ago. Now children, 10,000 years, in 10,000 four zeros are coming and it is a 5-digit number. 10,000 is a 5-digit number. Sumonto, 10,000 years. I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. Gopi says, oh, 1,000 years is a big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. So Gauri is speaking. I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Manjeet says, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers. Now everybody burst into laughter. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. They reached Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock and they started their journey at 9 o'clock. So, Shankar, this painting also has very big bisons. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the painting. Now, Bonomala, I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. These three children are counting. One child is counting bison, one child is counting deer and one child is counting people. Now 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bison. That boy, he got 37 bisons. Now that girl, she got 117 deer. Now how many more deer are there than bisons? Now deer are 117 and bisons are 37. Then we minus them and it is coming 80. But Bonomala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. Now bisons and deer you add, then you will get a number 154. Her count is less than 200. That count is less than 200 but greater than 154. Then that count will be 177. It is less than 200 for 200 and more than 154. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. चलिए कल का